So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the screenshot layout on the latest iOS 26 so that it will not directly open a full screen preview. Now in order to fix it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, simply go to general, and in the general simply scroll down, or what you can do is just simply go to this option of screen capture. Once you go over there, here you'll see this option of full screen previews. Simply turn this option off. Once you do that, and once you again click the screenshot, it will not pop up in the full screen preview. It will directly show you as the iOS 18 version, the smaller preview in this on the bottom left of your screen. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.